Alright, so what we're doing is we're creating a vacuum leak. What I have is the line that goes to the vacuum modulator, which is the biggest vacuum line on this engine. We're looking at short-term fuel trim and pulse width. You can also look at pulse width on the lab scope. You see up here, it's at 5 milliseconds, and also down here, it's around 5 milliseconds with our tracers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug my thumb, and you can see this engine's really suffering. You see that short-term fuel trim starts adding a lot of fuel, and you also see the pulse width increases majorly. And when I plug it up, you watch short-term fuel trim drop back down, and pulse width starts to go back to normal.